You're not short of time. You have wasted it. That is not an insult. That is the opening line of one of the most powerful essays ever written. 2,000 years ago, a Roman philosopher named Seneca wrote a letter to his friend. It was called On the Shortness of Life, and every single word still hits like a knife. Lucius Annaeus Seneca was born around 04 BC in Rome. He was a philosopher, a playwright, and for a time the most powerful advisor in the Roman Empire. He had wealth, influence, everything, and yet he spent his entire life warning people about the one thing money cannot buy: time. He wrote, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a great deal of it." He watched people around him spend years chasing status, wealth, and other people's approval, and he saw them reach the end of their lives with nothing real to show for it. Not because life was short, but because they were never truly present. Seneca identified 3 types of people who waste their lives. The first, those consumed by the past, replaying old wounds, bitter about what was lost, living in a memory instead of reality. The second, those consumed by the future, always preparing, always waiting for the right moment, postponing life until conditions are perfect. The third, and most dangerous, those who give their time to others, not in generosity, in weakness, saying yes to everything, living for other people's agendas, never once asking, what do I actually want? Seneca wrote, everyone hurries his life along and is troubled by a longing for the future and weariness of the present. Sound familiar? That was Rome 2,000 years ago. That is your phone right now. Seneca's warning was not about death. It was about life. Specifically, the life you are not living while you are busy living the wrong one. He wrote, retire into yourself as much as you can. Associate with people who are likely to improve you. Not more content, not more noise, more presence, more intention, more you. You have the same hours Seneca had, the same hours Marcus Aurelius had. The question is not whether you have enough time. The question is whether you are awake enough to use it. That is the waking mind. See you tomorrow.